Hi student, in previous video lecture, we are discussed about mole number and atomicity and the formula of mole. Now we will discuss today we will discuss atomic mass unit, relative atomic mass. Firstly, we discuss about the atomic mass unit, which is represented in short form AMU, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is not a unit. It is the quantity. It is the quantity of 1 by 12th mass of an carbon atom. 1 by 12th mass of an atom of carbon. An atom of carbon. One carbon atom, the 12th part of one carbon atom is known as atomic mass unit. That means 1 by 12th part of one carbon atom is known as atomic mass unit. You clear that? Mass of one atom C12. Mass of one carbon atom. You know that mass of one carbon atom by measured by a spectrometer, mass spectrometer. Practically by using spectrometers, observe that mass of one carbon atom is 1.9926 into 10 power 23. Okay, 1.9926 into 10 power 23. It is not necessary how it is found, because it is measured practically by using mass spectrometer. Okay. Now, mass of 1/12 part, that means AMU. Here now definition, quantity of 1/12 mass of an carbon atom. That means 1 by 12 part of one carbon atom, mass of one carbon atom. Means what is the AMU? The mass of 1 by 12 part is equal to 1.9926 into 10 power 23 is the mass of one carbon atom, but the AMU is 1 by 12th part of one carbon atom. So we divide this value by 1 by 12th, by the 12th. Then we find 1.67 into 10 power 24 gram carbon. The value of 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 gram is suppose as 1 AMU or 1 unified mass. So 1 AMU is equal to 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 gram or 1 by Na. Here Na is Avogadro number. The value of Na means Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Nowadays AMU has been replaced. Nowadays we use unified mass represented by symbol small u at the place of AMU. Okay. Now discuss relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass. Firstly, you understand that it is mass of only one atom. It is mass of only one atom. It defined how many times the mass of one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 part of 12th part. 1/12 part means 1/12 part means one carbon atoms. 1/12 part of an carbon atom means AMU. You know that 1/12 part of one carbon atom. Here you study 1 equal to 1 AMU. 1 AMU. So therefore, it is defined the how many times of the mass of one atoms of an element is heavier than 1/12 part. 1/12 part of the mass means 1 AMU of one atom of carbon 12. That means relative atomic mass of oxygen. Relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16 AMU, but it is not actual mass. It is relative atomic mass. 16 atomic mass unit is the relative atomic mass of oxygen. But actual atomic mass, the actual atomic mass is calculated by the relative mass into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. Then we find the actual atomic mass. Same phenomenon with nitrogen. You know that atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, but the 14 AMU mass of nitrogen is relative atomic mass, but actual atomic mass is 14 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 gram. Okay, means the atomic mass given in the periodic table are calculated by adding number of proton and neutrons. The total number of nucleons is only relative atomic mass, but for calculating actual atomic mass, we multiply 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 with the relative atomic mass. Then we find actual atomic mass. Please take a screenshot of this content and note your book. Now we have discussed gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. It is the mass of 1 mole atom or mass of 1 gram atom or mass of Na. Na means Avogadro number atoms. Na atoms. Here some difference between gram atomic mass and relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is the mass of 1 atom, but gram atomic mass is the mass of 1 mole atom. Gram atomic mass is the mass of 1 mole atom. Relative atomic mass is the mass of 1 atom. It is a major difference between the gram atomic mass and relative atomic mass. For example, gram atomic mass of oxygen is equal to mass of 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen, because gram atomic mass is the mass of Na atom. Na atom means 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. So we write here mass of 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms of oxygen. Now put the value of mass of one oxygen atom into 6.022 into 10 power 23, then you know that mass of one oxygen atom, right here, 16 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 gram. So we write 6.022 into 10 power 23, same, and mass of one oxygen atom is 16 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 24. And in calculation of these value, use a tricky concept, that is, you know that in this lecture 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 is equal to 1 by nm. 1 by nm. Nm is 1.67, 1 by nm is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, students. So put the value 1 upon 6.022 into 10 power 23 at the place of 1.67 into 10 power 23. Then find this value after putting 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 16 into, we put 1 point at the place of 1.67 into 10 power 23, 1 by 6.022 into 10 power 23. 6.022 into 10 power 23, 6.022 into 10 power 23 cancel each other. And finally we get 16 into 1 gram, and finally we find 16 gram. Finally we reach at the point the mass of an atom, 1 mole of atom is 16. If anyone say that what is the mass of 1 mole oxygen, then you say 16 gram. Okay, what is the mass of 1 mole nitrogen? Then you say 14 gram. What is the mass of 1 mole carbon? Then you say 12 gram. Okay, take a screenshot and note all about the gram atomic mass, relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit in your notebook, and do exercise given in NCERT book. Thank you very much.